Every mother carries a miracle inside her. But do you know how that miracle grows, week by week, month by month? Today, I'll take you through the incredible 9-month journey of pregnancy. From the very first heartbeat to the moment you finally hold your baby in your arms. Whether you're an expecting mother, a supportive partner, or just curious about this beautiful process, this video will keep you amazed till the very end. Welcome to HealthVerse Lab, where we simplify health and science for everyone. In this video, we'll cover 2 things for each month: how your baby is developing inside the womb, and what care the mother needs to stay healthy and strong. So stay with me till the end, because every month is a new chapter of this magical journey. Month 1, weeks 1 to 4. It all begins here. The egg is fertilized and implants into the uterus. Your baby is now just the size of a tiny poppy seed. Though you can't feel it, the foundations of the brain, height, and spinal cord are starting to form. For mothers, this month is crucial. Folic acid, rest, and avoiding alcohol or smoking are absolute musts. Even before you realize you're pregnant, your body is working overtime to protect this tiny life. Month 2, weeks 5 to 8. By the second month, your baby is growing rapidly, now the size of a kidney bean. The heartbeat can often be detected through ultrasound. Tiny buds are forming, which will soon become arms and legs. For mothers, morning sickness may start. Eat small, frequent meals, stay hydrated, and don't worry, this is completely normal. Month 3, weeks 9 to 12. The first trimester is almost complete. Your baby now has distinct fingers, toes, and even fingernails. The face begins to look more human, with eyes, ears, and a tiny mouth forming. For mothers, regular prenatal checkups are important this month. Light exercise like walking is safe and can help you stay active. Month 4, weeks 13 to 16. Welcome to the second trimester, often called the golden period. Your baby, now about the size of an avocado, can make facial expressions. The heartbeat is strong and clear. For mothers, energy levels usually rise. You may notice the baby bump beginning to show. This is a great time to start bonding with your baby by talking or playing gentle music. Month 5, weeks 17 to 20. This month is special. For the first time, you might feel tiny flutters, your baby's first movements. At around the size of a banana, your baby can now hear sounds from the outside world. For mothers, back pain and swelling may start. Gentle stretches, good posture, and comfortable shoes are your best friends. Month 6, weeks 21 to 24. Your baby is growing stronger and can even respond to touch and sound. Eyelids begin to open, and little lungs are preparing for breathing. For mothers, sleep may become tricky. Try sleeping on your side and use pillows for comfort. Stay hydrated and take iron-rich foods to prevent anemia. Month 7, weeks 25 to 28. The third trimester begins. Your baby can now open and close eyes, and brain activity becomes more complex. The little one weighs around 2 pounds now. For mothers, you may feel tired more often. Rest whenever possible and continue with gentle exercises approved by your doctor. Month 8, weeks 29 to 32. Your baby is almost ready for the world, gaining weight quickly and developing layers of fat. The kicks become stronger, sometimes even visible from the outside. For mothers, watch out for swelling, blood pressure changes, and gestational diabetes. Regular checkups are vital at this stage. Month 9, weeks 33 to 40. The final countdown. Your baby is now fully developed, weighing between 6 to 8 pounds. Lungs mature, and the baby positions itself head down for birth. For mothers, It's time to prepare for labor. Stay calm, pack your hospital bag, and keep in touch with your doctor for signs of delivery. Any moment now, your miracle will arrive. From a tiny cell to a fully formed human, pregnancy is truly the most extraordinary journey of life. Every heartbeat, every kick, every moment matters. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to HealthVerse Lab, because we have many more health guides coming your way. And remember, every pregnancy is unique, so always follow your doctor's advice.